While the economy gets turned upside down, inside and out, we are here to help you generate an income online right here from home. We use our own marketing dollars to help you jumpstart your new income, and we can get you started on it right now before you pay a dime just to prove it all to you. All you need to do to get us to start working for you is to click the link in the area that you see around this video and then enter your name and your best email address. And that's it. You'll get to watch while we literally start placing real business volume under your position. That business volume helps you qualify for real weekly income. It's not pocket change. We've made more in the last 3 months than most people do all year. Too good to be true? It's actually really simple. We are incentivized by our company to help others succeed in this business. So we literally start investing into you before you have to do anything. Put us to the test. Click the link, opt in, and watch as we start placing real business volume under your account, which helps you qualify for commissions. As soon as you opt in, you're gonna come to a page that looks like this. Or like this, or like this. You could see a number of different lead capture pages because we're testing new ones all the time. That's the point. We are the marketing experts, and you get to leverage us and our marketing to help you build a new income stream on our team. How does this all work? After you click that link in the video and then enter your name and email on that page, you'll be logged into the company that pays us for what we do. On that site, you can watch some videos there that teach you about the industry that we're in. But that's not the end of it. Mike and myself, Robin, will email you a comprehensive review that we created, sharing with you everything of how to capitalize on what we're doing that's unique with this company. And this allows you to leverage us and our marketing in a big way. So what are you waiting for? Click the link, enter your name and email, and you'll have an account. Make sure you enter your best email address that you check most often and spell it correctly, or you won't be able to capitalize on everything that we're doing for you. We'll immediately start placing real business volume under your position, which helps you qualify for real income. And then we'll be in touch.